At the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how much YouTube actually paid me for 3,000 video view. And this video was uploaded 19th of February 2025. It simply means if you are on my channel, you must have seen this particular video. And if it is this video that actually brings you down here, if this is the first video that you click to watch, also let me know in the comment section. And this particular video is a 13-minute video long, okay? Like the video duration is 13 minutes. So let's check and know how much YouTube actually pay YouTubers for 3,000 video views. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If it is the first time seeing you, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into this video because I'm so excited to share this particular video revenue with you guys. Now, one of the mistakes a lot of people are making when it comes to looking at YouTube revenue is they just go ahead to just see what is the revenue. Now, it is not all about that. You need to see how this video performance really worked so that you're going to use this performance now to compare your own and see, okay, what's really working for my channel and how do I improve? So whenever you're watching any how much YouTube pay video on YouTube, don't just go straight to the revenue. The revenue is not even the most important thing because I can come here and just show you the revenue and tell you, oh, this is the revenue. You understand? But the most important thing is every detail you are supposed to get. Anyways, let's start my screen record so that we can show you how much this video has earned. So as you guys can see, my screen record is all started and I'll attach it either here or here. And you can see this is a video I created on the 19th of February 2025. That was when this video was actually published. And you can see I said best AI video generator for 2025 to create faceless channel. And this video is worth 13 minutes. And now if we go ahead to click on more details about this particular video, you can see they say viewers are up to 40%. More regular viewers are choosing to watch this video, helping to increase its reach on YouTube. And right from the day this video was created, this video has gotten 3.6K views. Okay, now you can see here how viewers found the channel as well. Traffic source, YouTube recommendation channel page, other YouTube features notification. So let's go to the reach so that we can break it down one after the other. You can see for the reach, this video has gotten an impression of 41.1K, and I love this. Every day this impression of this video is just going up. And you can see how viewers found this particular channel. Browse feature, channel page, suggested video, other YouTube features, and then others. And then you can see external sites or app. You can see Google search, you can see email, and you can see WhatsApp. And you can see YouTube search term, Vibe with Sonia, Faceless YouTube channel, and AI. These are people, the YouTube search term that's actually recommending this particular video. And you can see content suggesting this particular video. All of this content suggesting, they are my content except for creating amazing 3D animation and then the small channel mistakes, that tech formats, in formats, I don't know if a person name well did, okay? But you can see that my channel, 8.1%, the highest percent is my videos that is actually recommending it. And yes, if we go to the engagement part of this particular video, this video have a watch time of 176 watch time, and the audience retention of this video is 2 minutes 54 seconds. It simply means to every hand that click this video, at least they watch 2 minutes 54 seconds. It doesn't mean that people are not watching more than this particular viewer duration, but in general, YouTube has calculated that this is at most what people are watching these videos from. Now you can see the key moments. My intro was one of the key moments that captivated people here. That's why I said your intros are very, very important. Do not joke with the intros of your videos. They are important. Now, if we go to the audience of this particular videos and we allow this audience of the particular video to load, you're going to see that returning viewers is 2.3K. And you can see my returning viewers, it's the purple end, and then my new viewers. And it is beautiful when you have returning viewers actually coming to watch your videos. It simply means a lot of people that are actually on this channel are really doing well for me. And I do not take you guys for granted. You guys are the best, and I love you guys from the depth of my heart. Now, if we go to the device type, you can see mobile, computer, TV, and tablets. If we go to the age category, you can see that the age watching this video is just 18 to 24, 25 to 34, and then 35 to 44. People that are always looking out for shortcuts to ensure that everything is easy for them, they no fish out. And genders watching this particular video, you can see male and female gender as well. They are watching. My female gender, I twale for una, God bless you all. Then for the top geographics, you can see Nigeria 44.8%, United States, I love you people 9.1%, United Kingdom 4.5%. And if you see top subtitle and languages, you can also see it here as well. Watch time from subscribers 50% and not subscribe 50% and subscribe 49.8. So it means if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, please, what have I done to you? Please subscribe. Now let's move to the revenue of this particular video. For the revenue of this beautiful video, this video has been able to generate 15.75 USDT. 15.75 USDT. That's what this video actually generated. I am grateful. I do not take you guys for granted. You guys are the best. Now, how you make your money? Watch paid ads and YouTube Premium. You guys can see that YouTube Premium is 80 pence. Jesus. And you can see video performance. For every 1K view of this particular video, I have $4.37, and of which I do not take this for granted. And for how much advertisers pay, advertisers are paying $9.31 per 1K view. That's my CPM. My RPM is $4. My CPM is $9.31. And you guys know that after advertisers are done paying, YouTube will now remove their own parts, and then they'll now give me the remaining parts. And then earnings by ad type: skippable, bomber, display, non-skippable, unknown. And yes, for the video of 3.6, I've been able to make $15.75. And this is just March 4. This is not even up to 1 month yet. It simply means as this video is getting more views, I'm going to be making more money. Now let's talk. Guys, let me put it out there, right? And I always keep saying it in my videos. I'm making $15 and this cents. It doesn't mean that you cannot make more. You can make more. Just a video of 3K view, you can see how much it has been able to generate. I'm trying to tell you that you can make more from your videos. You can make less, depending on the kind of videos you're bringing, depending on what advertisers are willing to pay, depending on how much you're getting on your 1K view. A lot of factors limit a lot of content creators from getting a lot of money on their channel. Yes, but if you don't have all of these factors holding you back and your videos is in the appropriate direction, you're going to be making a whole lot. Just within how many space on the 19th until now, which is 4th of March that I'm filming this video, I have been able to earn $15. This is why I always tell you that you see this YouTube street, no dulling for anybody. If you're still struggling with your YouTube channel, you don't know what to do, you're still confused, there is no money you spent on your channel, they're not going to get it back, or you're not going to gain it back in surplus. Call us for channel reviews and coaching. Let me personally go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add. Some persons personally tell me, vibe with Sonia. Come and see my channel. Just check the settings for me. See if it is okay, if it is not okay, what can we add, what can we minus. And by the special grace of God, we're able to do 1 or 2 things to be able to elevate a lot of people. And if you have not even built channel at all, guys, we can help you build with these same flyers displaying on the screen. All you need to do is to do what? You check out the mail attached to the flyers. And when you see the mail attached to the flyers, you send us a DM. Check if it's 1 day, if it's 7 days, if it's 2 weeks, if it's 30 days. And trust me, you are going to be gaining a lot out of this. Anyways, let me know in the comment section if you're monetized. How much did your own 3K actually pay you on YouTube? I want to know in the description box, in the comment section, not the description box, in the comment. Like, I'm so excited that I don't even know what to do. I don't even know how to react. And I'm just talking slowly because, God is faithful, honestly. Just look for me and monetize the channel, start making money and thank me later. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I'd like always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah. Oh my God.